Today, of course, is a graduation ceremony for the first class of the Pacific High School Institute. So excited that you're here.
There's so many opportunities to meet people, and that's probably my favorite thing. I love taking the music industry class. I learned so much so far. It's really gotten me excited and really helped me express my passion towards music.
The teachers are amazing. They give you the best details of what it feels like to be in a college class, and this really gives you the real experience of being in college.
My favorite part of the summer high school is getting to be able to experience college in person and learning everything on a whole nother level and being able to sit in on lectures and see what it's like.
I would have to say my favorite part was definitely the college experience, a little bit more freedom, meeting new friends.
Thank you to everyone I met during these past few weeks and to the Summer Institute for this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.